Hey, how are you today, man? Yeah, I'm also fine, and I believe that you are also fine. And in this video, I will going to show you how to convert image to text. So for example, like this. Yeah, okay. This is image. This is a print image, that, and I believe that you have a text image. So how to convert image to text without typing? Okay, if I typing this file, then I have need a lot of time, so I haven't time, and what can I do? Okay, now I'm going to do a shortcut way. So this shortcut way I will going to provide in this video. So this video is very important if you want to learn. Okay, and I believe that if you work with any organization, if you work with it's your personalities. For example, you need a assignment, how to create an assignment without typing. Then if you have any documents, then you just scan and convert to text. Okay, and then you upload your varsity. Okay, and this is a very tiny work and tiny tips, but if you know this, it's so helpful. Okay, so you have a lot of text image, and you want to do this image convert to text or documents. So how can you do this work? So in this video I will going to show you very shortcut way and very easy to do. Okay, just you see in this video beginning to end. Okay, and I believe that you are going to learn a new something. Okay, so now let's start. So everybody, you see this is my desktop, and here on image, okay, you see this is a image, and now I'm going to this image to convert Word documents, for example this here. Okay, so how can you do that? I'll show you. First you need to open this browser, and here you search that image to text converter. Okay, after then you will see that definitely pre-post CEO, this website you go. Okay, and here you just upload this image. So what can I do? Just click on this, and which image? This image. Okay, just select on this and then open. Okay, and then extract to text. Just, I'm not a robot. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, so I'm got image to text, and this is a very quite customizable. Okay, and you can convert every language or every text. For example, this is Bangla text and this is English text. Every text you can convert. Okay, so what can I do? And now I'm going to copy this result. Okay, and you can download also, or this is a PDF. Okay, sorry, this is a documents. Okay, and I copied and just here paste. Okay, so look, I'm very easy to convert image to text. Okay, so now let me show you here on thing and this on thing. Okay, so this is my image and this is my text. Okay, just look, wow. So it was a video. So this is a image. Okay, and this is a image to text. Okay, you can customize very easily. If you want to delete on this, you can delete. If you add something, you can going to add. Okay, so this video is enough for today, and I believe that you have got a very helpful technique, and it's a shortcut, and you can apply it any kind of work. Okay, it's not any kind of work, it's just only doing image to text convert. Okay, so have a good day.